Sorry, I'm in a little bit of a rush right now. No time to talk. I just want to make this quick, short video. Whoa, it's actually pretty sunny out here. It was raining like crazy and hard, and now it's like super sunny. Anyways, well, it doesn't matter because I like it, you know, sunny and bright when I'm actually out doing some work and stuff, running errands and stuff. But I actually got these two products in the mail right here. I wanted to talk to you guys about it. One of them is actually pretty cool, so let's see what this is all about. Hey guys, Goki's here, making more videos again, and today, guys, we have two products I want to share with you that just came in. The main thing is this smart cam right here for your vehicle or whatever you need. So without further ado, let's get to it. Alrighty, first thing first is this bad boy right here. You guys already know I love LEDs, and a lot of people over the years of me doing LED videos wanted to make a really good flashlight video that's not too expensive and also, you know, super bright and doesn't actually use, you know, batteries that you put in there. It just recharges, rechargeable batteries, stuff like that, lightweight. And I think I found something finally that, you know, matches something that I love, something that I want, and is super, really bright. Let's unbox this bad boy. Alrighty. When I say lightweight, this is what I want, guys. I was looking at reviews, and also obviously I was looking nothing else in the box itself, as you can see, and obviously I was looking to make sure that the flashlight was going to be ultra bright. Ooh, now look at this. This is what I'm talking about. LED. Look at that LED chip in there. Almost looks like one of the chips on a headlight, guys. I can already tell. Before I get into this bad boy, it actually does come with some literature right here. I'm gonna leave that in there. It comes with a nice little strap right here. I might use this, I might not use this. I'm actually using this today on a property I'm taking a look at. You know, always have a nice good flashlight just in case, you know what I mean? It's a foreclosure property, and I believe it might not have any kind of lighting or anything in there. So, you know, flashlight comes in very handy. This thing is lightweight too. Like, I'm not even kidding you. It looks huge and bulky, and normally it would be super heavy, but this thing is super lightweight, ready to go. Comes with also a charging cable. As you guys know, don't like anything that deals with putting batteries in there or anything. I want rechargeable stuff like this. That's what I love about this bad boy. You just plug it in, recharge it, and you're good to go. It has charging port right here. Look at that. Really nice. It has a button right here for the light on the side. This is a really nice light as well. I mean, I really didn't care about it, but now that I have it, I think I would actually love to use this. It dims and turns off, and it's really nice for if you don't want a spotlight, you know what I mean? It's a really nice light. And then on this side, it has this other button right here for an SOS light. Really nice. I like that. I'm not gonna ever probably use the SOS part right there, but then again, you never know. Number one is the powerful one. Number two is the less powerful one right here. So what I want to do is actually turn the lights off, close the garage door, see how it works. All right, getting dark in here. Alrighty, guys, pretty dark in here. I gotta say, by the way, this is how my garage used to look without the white paint, you know, when I first got the house, without the white paint and also all the lighting and stuff like that. Very dim yellow and just dingy. This is obviously just the lighting that's coming from the garage opener. Nevertheless, we got this powerful bad boy. Now let's put it on the low power mode. Let's see how bright it is. I'm gonna actually shine it over there in that corner right there, and let's see how bright this bad boy is. All right, let's check it out. I'm gonna look up there. Oh! That is good, guys. That is really bright. Whoa, I am actually very impressed with this. I like this a lot. This is actually gonna be really great for checking a look at, you know, like piping and stuff in the house and stuff. Really nice. Let's put it on a high power mode. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at how bright that is. Insane. I don't want to blind you guys, but that is super bright, guys, I have to say. Okay, I'm loving this. Really bright and awesome. I love this thing. Super bright outside. Okay, I'm loving this flashlight. I can't wait to actually use it today. Not bad. It's not bad for the price I paid for it too. I'm loving it. Before I forget, there is a battery indicator right here. As you can see, it's on full charge, just letting you know that it's on full charge. Okay, I'll leave this bad boy link in the description below. Now, let's take a look at the smart cam, guys. This thing is really awesome. Now, I got this from oxbeam.com. However, you can get similar things like this from Amazon. I'll leave the links in the description below. Do not worry. But I really wanted something like this, not only because of the vehicle, but also in terms of housing. I like to check in the pipes and stuff to make sure, you know, everything is good in spots that you really can't normally see, you know, before you buy the house. So this thing comes in very handy, not only for that, obviously for your vehicle as well. If you're trying to look inside a cylinder head or something like that, really tight spots in your vehicle, you have this smart cam. Now the best part about this is that this can actually connect with your Android cell phone and or tablet. And I got my Android tablet right here because I wanted to show you on the Android tablet. Obviously I could use the cell phone as well, but you know, tablet is a bigger screen for you guys to see. Comes with some literature and some accessories. You don't actually need these accessories. These accessories include a magnet that if you know, drop something that's metal, you can easily pick it up with this magnet. I know one time at the Honda dealership, a service tech dropped a pen down there and he was able to retrieve it out, but it was definitely, he didn't know where it was. He was just hitting things and stuff. This could definitely help out. This is the camera and this is the USB that actually plugs into your phone and or computer. Here's a computer part right here, the USB, and then obviously if you pull this back here, it goes into the actual Android device. Pretty awesome, pretty awesome. And the most important part, guys, is that this thing is really rigid, okay? So you can bend this around and make sure that it stays in a straight line so you can actually probe this somewhere and see what is going on. It's really cool. I like this. So as you can see, I'm pulling it out. It's really long, rigid wire. It has some literature in here. You can definitely download the app on here. I've already done that. There we have it. This is the actual app right here. And it should be as simple as just connecting it in and, you know, seeing it work. Let's go. Alrighty, look at that. It's already working. It has some LEDs on there. As you can see, really, really nice. I like this. The camera is really tiny as well. I like the fact it has LEDs on there because when you go deep inside the vehicle, you won't be able to see anything if it's dark. So that's really, really important. So let's check it out. Let's see what kind of stuff is actually in the Genesis. Let's go open the hood. Let's see what this is all about. Alrighty, guys, I got the big engine open right here. Man, it's a massive engine. I gotta say, it kind of goes like pretty deep down there. Loving this thing. But also I have the actual camera right here and I was playing around with this bad boy, just testing it out and stuff, looking through the engine. It's actually pretty cool. You can go through like little details and stuff and places that, you know, you won't actually be able to see before, but now with the camera you get to see like little tight spots and stuff to see if there's leaking or anything like that. It's really, really cool. But I was playing around with that, but I was curious enough to find something that I really didn't know. I mean now that I think about it, it's like, oh, okay, duh, it's supposed to be down there. But you see these holes right here? You won't be able to see anything in there unless you have a camera like this. When I actually put my camera through that hole, I was able to see there's actually a lot of dirt buildup right there. You can kind of see all the rocks and stuff from the road have just built up right there. And if I would have never known there's so much like dirt and stuff down there if it wasn't for this actual camera. Look at all this stuff that I'm actually finding. That's kind of gross. Obviously this stuff never gets looked at on a vehicle unless, you know, you're doing like a super detail probably. I mean, even if you get a detail, no one's gonna be cleaning through those holes like this, guys. Look at all this dirt in there. I might want to get that cleaned out. It looks kind of terrible. But yeah, obviously I wouldn't be able to see anything if it wasn't for this little camera right here. All right, what else can I actually look with this? Because oh, you know what? I'm actually curious because the Genesis headlights, for some reason, I feel like they're tilted a little bit too low. So I actually wanted to see what kind of bit or device does it use to actually tilt this bad boy up. And you can see it's right here, this thing right here. But I can't, you know, I can't, even with a flashlight, it's hard. But hang on, let me actually, okay, I'm gonna actually push this through this hole right here. It fits perfectly. See how it looks. Let's get it in there. Oh. Interesting. So this is actually what I see inside there. As you can see, it uses one of these things where you basically use like a screwdriver of some sort and then turn this wheel to, you know, to make sure the headlights are a little bit tilting up. So I might actually be doing that. Look at my hands already getting dirty. I'm just barely working on a vehicle. Look at that. So I noticed that it has one on this side. Let me make sure that the other side is the same exact thing. I'm just gonna push it in there as well. There we go. Push it in. Let's push it in there. There we go. And it seems like it's the exact same thing. You just have to you know, twist it and it'll get it done. So I think I know what to do. I think I'm gonna use a screwdriver, and you can definitely use this to go through like little crevices and stuff through here, and you can see how rigid it is so that you can actually move it and go through there. If you drop something, there's actually a attachment that you hook onto here, or you can definitely see if there's something wrong down there in parts that you normally wouldn't be able to see. So I'm actually liking this a lot. Now obviously you can definitely look at this camera if you're doing some detail work. Maybe you're trying to see if there's rust underneath parts that normally you wouldn't be able to see. Maybe you're trying to buy a car and you want to try to check for leaks or anything in places that normally if a person's trying to sell it to you, they wouldn't be able to clean it out because it's so tight in spots. This could come in very, very handy. Like I said, you don't have to use it for a vehicle. I'm actually going to be using this and the flashlight for the house that I'm taking a look at. So I think this will come in very handy. Like I said, I'm going to leave the links in the description below. I'm liking this. I'm liking this. I was glad I was able to share this with you guys, and I'll leave the links in the description below, guys. That's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm actually about to head out. I'll leave the links in the description below. Links to my Facebook, Instagram, and also Twitter are going to be in the description section as well. This was a very niche product, but you might actually want it, so go check it out. But there should be a subscribe button and also a video button popping right here. Make sure you click on for more videos in the future. Other than that, guys, keep just saying thanks for watching and peace.